Here's a quick and easy pattern for making a face mask with supplies that you might have at home. The mask can be made with elastic or with ties. It has an adjustable nose bridge along with a pocket where more protective material can be inserted. I start with a 10 by 18 piece of fabric that's been pressed. If you have a half a yard of fabric, you'll get 4 masks. A fat quarter will give you 2 masks. You'll also need 2 10-inch pieces of 1/8 of an inch elastic or 2 40 to 44 inch long ties and 1 pipe cleaner. Press 1 inch of fabric down on each side. I can draw these lines for guidance, or I make a jig for faster production. This piece of cardboard is about 1 inch wide. I just fold this down and press. Then you need to press about a 1/2 inch under to make a casing. Take this to the sewing machine and stitch along this edge. You'll end up with something that looks like this. Take your pipe cleaner, fold it in half, twist it, and then thread it through that casing. You're only going to do this on one side. You want that pipe cleaner to end up in the middle of your piece. Place wrong sides together and stitch 1/4 inch on each side. Turn this inside out and stitch a 5/8 inch seam, stopping about 1 inch to 1/2 inch from the bottom, and make sure you lock your stitches here. Thread your elastic or your ties through this chamber. Start at the bottom, push in this direction, and then turn it. So you can thread the elastic or the tie. When you get to the top, reach in, pull out the other end, and tie that into a knot. Hide that knot in that chamber. Turn the mask right side out so the pipe cleaner's on top. And down at the bottom, I like to fold this in half and then put a little tuck here. I sewed about 1 inch down, just makes it a little bit tighter around the chin area. And use the pipe cleaner to get it to fit closer around your nose. Hope you decide to sew a mask either for yourself or as a donation to healthcare workers. I'm finding that when I set up a production line, I can complete a mask in about 10 minutes. In a short time, you'll have a supply of masks for your family or as a donation for a local nursing home or hospital. Thank you for visiting LearnHowToQuilt.com. Please share our video with your friends and make sure to do your part in stopping the spread of the virus.